Consider authentication for Azure AI services. Overview. Authentication is a crucial aspect of securing access to Azure AI services resources. By default, these resources use subscription keys for access control. Effective management of these keys and the use of additional security measures can help mitigate the risk of unauthorized access. Regenerating keys. Subscription keys should be regenerated regularly to reduce the risk of compromise. Each AI service is provided with 2 keys, allowing you to regenerate keys without service interruption. Here's how you can manage key regeneration effectively. Key management workflow. Configure your applications to use only 1 key, e.g., key 1. Regenerate the unused key, e.g., key 2. Update your applications to use the newly regenerated key, e.g., key 2. Regenerate the other key, e.g., key 1. Update your applications to use the newly regenerated key, e.g., key 1. Regenerating keys in Azure Portal. Navigate to your resources keys and endpoint pane in the Azure Portal. Select Regenerate Key 1 or Regenerate Key 2 as required. Protecting keys with Azure Key Vault. Azure Key Vault offers a secure way to store subscription keys and other secrets. Access is granted to authenticated security principals, which could be user identities or managed identities assigned to applications. Using Azure Key Vault to manage keys provides the following benefits. Keys are not hard-coded in applications or stored in configuration files. Access control minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. To implement this, store your AI service subscription keys in Azure Key Vault. Assign a managed identity to your client applications. Configure your applications to retrieve keys directly from Azure Key Vault as needed. Token-based authentication. For some AI services, token-based authentication is supported or required. In this model, the subscription key is used in an initial request to obtain an authentication token. The token is valid for a limited period, e.g., 10 minutes. Subsequent requests must present the token for authentication. Tip: when using an SDK, token handling, obtaining and presenting is managed automatically, simplifying integration. Diagram: Azure AI Services credentials, retrieved securely from Azure Key Vault. Learning objective: by the end of this exercise, you will understand best practices for managing subscription keys. Learn to securely store and manage keys using Azure Key Vault. Explore token-based authentication for secure interactions with AI services. These practices will enhance the security and reliability of your Azure AI service integrations.